I prefer to make a unique Halloween costume from random dollar store supplies rather than pay buckets of money to a pop-up shop. This headpiece cost under $10 in new supplies. I already have wire cutters, a hot glue gun, elastic, and Velcro. I purchased the following supplies: a wire mesh basket, 2 glitter-covered branches, a package of plastic eyeballs, a roll of glitter mesh in my preferred color, glittery chenille pipe cleaner, and a package of flickering tea lights. First, I cut off the branches of the glitter stem as close to the main wire as possible. Next, weave the base of each stem into the mesh basket, hot gluing each one in place as you go. Vary the directions and angles of each branch. Next, take chenille stems and weave them from the bases of the glitter stems through the mesh basket. I want these chenille stems to resemble the movement of veins and arteries. I coordinate the color of the stems with the color of the branch they emanate from. Take more chenille stems and anchor one end to the mesh basket, then create 3D tendrils to fill in between the branches, adding visual complexity. These stems will vibrate with movement. Glue glitter mesh to the bottom edge of the basket as a lining. Make sure the sparkly side faces outward. When you're done gluing all around the base, trim the remainder of the mesh. Glue an approximately 4-inch length of glitter mesh at the bottom of the basket, and hot glue about 2 inches of Velcro loops at the bottom of the basket. When we're done, a tea light will be secured with Velcro hooks inside the headpiece. An optional step is to camouflage the tea light by painting its edge with nail polish similar in color to the glitter net. Another optional step is to take adhesive white rhinestones and heighten the light strike on the irises of the plastic eyeballs. Now, hot glue the eyeballs onto the glitter branches as you like. I choose to have them look in all directions, and I vary their height and placement. Now run a length of elastic through the mesh near the bottom edge of the basket. Place a dab of hot glue to the elastic below the mesh and fold the end of the elastic over onto the hot glue to bond. To attach the interior light, cut a long, narrow strip of adhesive Velcro hooks and attach it to the bottom of the tea light. Make sure the Velcro does not cover the on-off switch, then set it on the Velcro inside the headpiece. Now it's time for spooky fun. Have a happy, safe time out there, all you ghosts and goblins.